can't try to buy it when it hits it. You'll never get in it. Anyway, MCP after hours. We have limit orders to buy at $61.50 because we do. That's this limit order. $61.50. Buy 500 MCP. Lie. Day plus after hours. Now, we're going to see what this company sold off. Molycorp going into its report. Rare earth mining. Man, this thing has been on fire, but this is an after hours tick chart. And basically, we're going to be looking for that knee-jerk reaction. The minute that it hits fast, we may have to move in. But let's see. Here it goes right now. I got a 65 and a half. Let's see if there's any earnings out on it. 64.4. It's coming down. 64. Keep telling me. Here's that big red bar. This is live after hours. This is not fake. Our new free trial person. Look at here. $64. Okay. Where's it at, Rick Goley? Okay. I don't. You guys do that? All right. Keep telling me. All right. We got a 61.50 bid. Volume is extremely light. All right, look at him pop this up. That's the bid and ask. We're going to try. Now they're popping that thing back up. 64.75. 63.50 was a low. There it goes. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. What a great fall and got back up again. Look at that right there, people. Now it's coming back down. Oh, Humpy. Let's see what happens. We're at 61.50. I'm a buyer at 61.50. We're below the intraday low. Let's check and see if there's an earnings report. No, MCP preliminary 1 penny versus 10 cents. Revs were 26.2 million. Cancel all. Cancel all. I don't like the report. I repeat. Cancel all of the 61. Move it down to 57.50. I'm going to read the report to everyone here. And Molycorp, preliminary 1 cent versus 10 cents was Reuters. They only came in at a penny. Revs are 26.2 million versus 41.68 million Reuters consensus. I don't think that that's a good report yet. Now it's bouncing back up. So that's the preliminary. It bounced up. I just want to cancel all. Now they must be. All right. We got Chuck in it. Where's your entry at? 64.40. You're out. Oh, that's a $3 move, Chuck. Oh my goodness. He caught the bottom. Yes, I did cancel. Whenever I see, I'm going to look at selling short now. Because whenever I see that kind of earnings report, my first reaction is get out of the way until we get more data. So that's how we do it here. That preliminary. Molycorp, weakness response to earnings. Taking price down to 64 and after hours. And the thing about it is, you can see right here where the earnings are. 1 cent versus 10. 26 million versus 41. Folks, it's a short. It was already short. Yeah, it's volatility. It works both ways. So he sold into it right up here. So I'm going to see where the highs go. Plus, we're going to have an earnings report. I'm going to put it on pause. Molycorp misses by 9 cents, misses on revs. 9 cents worse than Reuters cents. Revenues rose 768% year over year to 26.2 million versus 41 million. Independent forecast. One estimate that global rare earth demand is expected to grow from 12,500 metric tons in 2010 to 185,000 metric tons in 2015. That's the ranges of the years there. And 280,000 metric tons in 2020. All right, capital expenditures of $781 million encompass the cost of restarting mining operations. Okay, so there is some things over here. The company believes that revenue for the balance of the year will be sufficient to fund operating activities, which include corporate, selling, general, and administrative expenses. The recent earthquake and tsunami in Japan may have a short-term negative impact on market demand. In the second and third quarters, the company expects that demand should fully recover by the fourth quarter. That means that this thing has got problems in the near term. And it was a stock that broke from $20 up to $80. It's in trouble. It's going to still go down lower. It's going to break these lows. We had limit orders up there. Rick Goley, you got an entry short. What was it? Okay, right up at the top, Mr. All right, and it sold off $5 for today, so it's going to be range bound in after hours. Chuck Mantalk, you got a second short. What was it? You've had a long and a short both. Um, Sean, did you get any entries? Oh, nice. Oh, nice, nice. All in after hours.